So, hi everyone. This is Siddharth Patel, and we represent the brand Arome. And this is a 57-year-old brand. We are into manufacturing of fragrances, B2B and B2C. In B2B, we do all sorts of applications, personal care, candles, fine fragrances, home care products. And we have our own brand of consumer products of roll-on, room fresheners, EDP in the market. Currently, if you ask me from the CMPL point of view, we are more excited to look forward to meeting new clients in terms of the new products which we have come up with for the B2B market in terms of fine fragrances and EDPs and personal care range. So here I see we get to know people from various industries where in general where you see we do a lot of expos in our industry very regularly. So we see industry specific meet very industry specific people. In CMPL, we get to meet a lot of people from different industries, which is also a learning for us. So that's, I think, something different here.